Welcome to another video of Pest Control SEO. In today's video, we are going to talk more about the reviews, the role of videos, competitor analysis, how to get reviews for the third party and what are the impact of them. And then we'll talk more about the zip code domination, zip code optimization basically. So let's quickly go to the screen and let's cover all the remaining 5 topics. So on the screen you can see here. So the first chapter is review mining for SEO in pest control industry. We need to extract all the pain points. Right now, every business owner, they want more reviews for their businesses, but they don't know which reviews has the most impact on the rankings. I have seen many businesses, they are just getting 5-star reviews without text. Some businesses, they are getting 5-star reviews, but some of the text which is not relevant to the services, or they don't have mentioned any services, the name of business, the name of person they are doing the services. In my observation, if the reviews has more images, they talk about the areas, they talk about what services they get, they talk about how was the experience of taking the services from that business, that made the reviews powerful. You need to create a template for the reviews and you need to give it to your client. Just ask your customers to give the review according to this template. You can go through all of these. They all are like self-explanatory, that you need to add the keyword rich testimonial. You need to create blog post answering the reviews complaints, which is also a part of the FAQ. You can do the same thing for a Q&A section for your GBP, and you can use AI tools to analyze the review sentiment. Just by analyzing all of these 5 things, you can utilize your reviews on your website, on your different assets you have, and you can boost the engagement of your business. The second chapter, role of videos in pest control. So videos are all around the web. So past 2 years, YouTube is completely dominating the search. The searches on YouTube is becoming more realistic. If we talk about the video searches, every year the growth of video searches, it's growing exponentially. So we also utilize this feature. We need to create more videos which is showcasing our services, which is showcasing our brand, our team, our products, how we do the services. You just need to document everything. If you are a business owner, you need to have your own YouTube channel. Just start posting more content around the business, the services you are offering. You can utilize the same videos for your GBP profile. You can then tag them. You can create the entire silo of the YouTube videos as a playlist. And just by doing this, you are just, believe me, we have tested some of our clients. They are just putting out their 70% of budget in just video marketing. And in first couple of months, they'll start getting like hundreds of views every day on their YouTube channels and start getting more inquiries about their services. And they start getting consistent leads just from the YouTube. And there is a feature, you can use the transcript. Using the transcript, you can create on-page content. And then there is an option, you can add the video scheme on your website that give you the rich snippets about the videos. The next chapter, if we talk about the competitors, as we all know, like we can get the we can check the backlink profile of competitors. We can check how many pages they have on the website, what keywords they are ranked for, and many more things. But my approach is different. I analyze their top ranking profiles. I just analyze their top ranking pages. I track the keywords using the SEMrush or Href tools. I reverse engineering their backlink sources. So let's say they are getting PR links. They are getting links from some government websites, some of the niche websites also. Just grab all the websites which are related to my niche. If all the links are free to get, I just reach out to all the webmasters. I ask them, I show them my content which I am creating for my, and just ask them to replace the link of my competitor either, or I ask them to just add my other links to the same URL where my competitor are getting. I can read their CTS, what type of CTS they are adding, what type of CTR term they are using, and just start creating better content what they are doing. Instead of just replicating them, I can took all of their SEO strategy, try to enhance it using the power of AI and start deploying. Chapter 4 is get more reviews on third-party aggregators. So recently Google announced like secretly that Google is getting all the reviews from all the other third-party vendors. So this topic basically is most important for me. And in my early days, I was not focusing on this, or even I don't aware about this. Last year, one of my client, they has more than 600 reviews on their GBP profile, and suddenly their GBP profile got suspended without any reason. We tried to reach out multiple times to the support team, and despite all of the efforts, all of the optimization we did for him for last 1.5 years, everything gone zero. We can't able to recover the GBP profile. Then we go and create a new profile. Without zero reviews. It took us to get first 100 reviews around 6 to 7 months. After that thing, I start focusing more on third party aggregate. So let's say now all of my business, all of the clients we are working together, I also suggest them to start getting the same reviews on multiple. So let's say they did 5 jobs this month. I ask them to get 5 reviews on their Facebook page, their Yelp, their NG, House Pro, and all the other platforms they are using, Trustpilot, Google Business Profile also. So instead, let's say if we got any more expansion on the profile, we can get a new profile, and from the day one we still have the reviews, and Google will always consider the reviews from third party aggregators. So we are not losing any business anymore. So if you are not considering this thing, you should considering adding third party aggregators and start getting reviews for them all. And the last chapter of this video, zip code optimization for pest control companies. So recently I learned this strategy when we are optimizing one of our water damage restoration client and one of our HVAC. So if I show you, so as you can see on my screen, AC repair, then zip code, air conditioning repair, their zip code, residential AC repair contractor, then zip code, AC repair, zip code, AC replacement, zip code, and I got this data from my GBP directly. These are the top searches. So people, they are not directly searching the head terms. Like let's say if they need AC repair, they are not just searching AC repair, they are adding zip code also. So when we get this data, we start creating more content around. So you can see here zip code level targeting. So you can see here we just started the original targeting, then we started water damage restoration in zip code, best water damage control near me in zip code. Then we start creating more on the level target, and just by creating more content about the zip codes, we start getting more hyper local leads from the posh areas also. And the competition we were facing is literally zero. Most of my competitors, they are not even know that they can do this. Our intention was not to create more content about the zip codes. No one has that much time to go and create more pages around the zip code level. But when I go and check all the data from GBP performance tab, it was surprising for me too also. So right, so you should start creating more content about zip codes. So create the separate pages and then it proper interlink with all the zip codes to the neighborhoods they belongs to. Basically, that's it for this entire video part 2. Just combining these 2 videos, you will get the entire roadmap for the pest control business. Write down every single step. Just start focusing more on all of these topics. Keep watching me for more engaging videos about the local SEO. And if you find this video helpful, like the video, subscribe my channel, and follow and share this video with all of your friends. They are into the local SEO niche. I'll see you in the next video. Then bye bye. Take care.